broken. So he's gonna be naked.
I could go and find new shells.
I think he's getting his shell off. He's long.
He is taking off the shell.
He's naked. He's almost naked.
No, he's not taking it off. He's moving.
His shell is moving. It's the wrong way. Mommy, if you let me have a snail someday, I'm gonna call him Gary.
You're gonna call him what?
That's his little butt.
She said she's gonna call him Gary.
Yeah, just like SpongeBob called him Gary. Or maybe Larry. Because SpongeBob had an even smaller one, and he was named Larry. I know, his little tail is stuck.
So what did you find? Melissa?
A snail.
Oh, yeah.
Look. See, it's right here.
Guess that's protect the boys. That's why.
Mommy, Snailly's going in his little house. I guess that's his house.
Oh yeah, it is.
Because it has all kinds of leaves.
It's so tight. I've never even seen a snail.